Yeah, you don't know any keys on this thing.
Okay, let's try it. Let's give it a try on arena.
So let's get it twice.
Do the jumping trick. Can we do a jumping trick?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go 1 versus 1.
1 versus 1 strategy time.
Okay.
1 versus 1 strategy.
Go arena.
Okay, arena. Let's use arena.
So how you use the jumping part?
So I think how to use the glitch.
Yeah, use the glitch. Yeah.
Okay. So maybe I'm using it on the arena. So
You put it on that wall, on the wall and 2 here. Okay, so how you use the best way to use the jumping tile?
Some swirling on him.
Okay, so you go like that, and you fly. Oh, that's nice. Ouch! You put 1 here on the wall, and then 2 on the other side, and you go into this one. It will make you fly, and wow, it's amazing. And that's the best way to use the jumping tile. Okay, thanks for watching. Right?
Yeah.
You can put them on the floor.
You can put them on the floor also.
Okay.
Thanks for watching. I hope you like and subscribe and share.
Yeah. Yeah, and hopefully the jumping tiles work well for you.
And hope the jumping tiles work sometimes.
Most of the time, yeah.